RC electronics to your receiver. So this is very short and basic video. This is for beginners like doesn't know anything about RCs. So I'm gonna make this video simple and short. In RC car we have transmitter. This is the transmitter and the command received by receiver. So this is our brain, act as our brain and commander. In receiver, there is channels. In this receiver it has 6 channels, but in this video I will only use 2 channels. So number 1 and number 2. So other number 3, 4 channels you can control other stuff like lights turning on off and other stuff, another servo or another motor like that. This is for absolute beginners. So we're gonna use first channel and second channel. So normally in RC cars, steering is most important thing. So the first channel always going to be the steering. This is called servo. This is mechanism that control our front steering. So it always goes to number 1 channel in our receiver. Another thing, when we fixing, we have to mind about the polarity. It always mentioned in the most 99% of the receivers is mentioned in the receiver the polarity. In this one it says in the red color negative, positive and signal line. So brown color represented by negative, so red color represent positive. So we can orientate as per the instructions. So second channel going to be our ESC. ESC means electronic speed control. This is the thing control our motor speed and rotation direction, front, forward and speed. It's also have this kind of jack, so we're gonna fix it in same polarity, black in the corner. So next we need the power. We connect power. So this is the power socket. This is the receiver plug. This is the on-off switch, and this is the motor wires. 2 big black and red wires are the motor wires. So what we should do is, first we have to turn on the transmitter. That is the process. First turn on the transmitter, then turn on the vehicle. This, in this situation, this electronic receiver. So this is our steering. This is our second channel. This is our first channel. And when turning on or turning off the system, remember always first switch off your vehicle, then your transmitter. So in the brushless systems it goes the same, only difference motor have 3 wires. ESC is the same thing, same plugs and everything. Always these 3 wires have color coding, so it's easy to match, so you don't have to get confused. So that is a brushless system working, and this is the brush motor ESC. So that's it for this video. This is very short video for like new beginners for RC. So if you have any question, please comment on the video and I will reply. Thank you very much. See you in next video.